This week we're in Peniche, which is about halfway down the coast of Portugal, and it's a really cool surf town. It was originally a fishing village, and it is such a lovely chilled out place with a great surfing community. And we made some breakfast and then headed for a lesson at Waterlost, which is Nico's surf school. And Nico's a really cool guy who basically really influenced the surfing community in Peniche, and he and lots of people in Peniche gave us loads of recommendations for what to do and where to eat and where to drink. And one of the places he told us to go was Buddha Eden. He just gave us the address, he didn't tell us what it was, he didn't tell us anything about it, and when we got there it was the most amazing sculpture park and garden. This was one of my favourites. My favourite was the Respectful Lovers one, by the way. We arrived about an hour before it closed, so we had a really quick explore. Look, it's got all this fruit growing. I don't know if they're huge limes. We are at Noah's Surf House, and it's a kind of surf camp and a hotel and a restaurant and a kind of beachy bar place, and it does loads of activities, so surfing, yoga, what else?
It's skating, skateboarding, rhythm with the chickens.
Rhythm with the chickens, which is something to do with their garden, so that's exciting. But yeah, we've arrived and we're staying for one night just as a treat. And we couldn't miss it, it looks so great. So it'll be nice, and we've got a huge bed, and we're really looking forward to it. So we're just going to go down to reception and see what we're going to do for dinner.
Yes, very exciting.
And there are a lot of options, so I think whatever we end up with is going to be good.
We'll be well fed tonight.
Yeah. We've even brought the fridge in from the van so that all our stuff stays plugged in. So yeah, I mean, we could sustain ourselves.
We could live here forever.
But we're going to have a treat. So yeah, and we'll show you around, show you what we do for dinner, and if we do any of the activities. This is a place that I'd found online months and months ago when I first came up with the idea of doing this trip, and I couldn't not go. So this was our first night out of the van, and I think it will be our only night out of the van.